Okay, this is my attempt to document a process for close reading that uses text-to-speech in Excel. So I'm not going to go into much explanation. So I start with a PDF file of some kind. There are different qualities. Some you can select text, some you can't. I have to convert them to text. So I find some way to convert them to text. There's always an OCR or something. So I convert them to text. But then I want to split them up into sentences so I can put each sentence into an individual cell for analysis. And in order to do that, I need to use, not there yet. Hold on. Okay, I need to use this right here in Notepad++, select all, line operations, join lines, find what, replace with this, find, replace with that, regular expressions, and I end up with more or less what I'm looking for, a sentence for each separate. Then I make them wider apart, add line numbers, I may change that. Then I can bring them into Excel. But now Excel does not do it. I always try to find a way to make it speak. And there is a speak text feature, but it's tricky to find it. And the one to speak on enter, you have to go to the search up there and search up speak cells. The others come and they go away, but speak cells on enter, and that allows you to do something like this.
288 instead. We need to embrace the full continuum of a natural landscape that is also cultural,
So I can read
in
it,
which the
I keep
city,
working,
the
and I
suburb,
can take
the
notes over here
pastoral,
like
and the
what
wild each
words
has its proper
might stand out,
place,
like
which
continuum,
we permit ourselves.
natural landscape.
Continuum,
Um,
natural
See, it speaks
landscape.
every time I do the thing, etc. So I don't know how good I am at close reading, but at least I have a process that I can follow that's for each line separately. Because as far as I can see, it claims to be paragraph by paragraph, but it looks like it's sentence by sentence, highlighters and stuff. So there's what I'm going to try to do. And also for me, working from bottom to top for some reason is easier. I don't know why. Top to bottom is harder. So we'll see. This way I can count how long it will take to do the whole thing. If I spend 15 seconds on each cell, it can take an hour. If I spend 30 seconds on a cell, it can take 2 hours, that type of thing. So that's my process at the moment, and instead of using highlighters and markers, which I need to be able to hear it to really get it. So I hope this helps me.